Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi friends, in the given figure, we have to find maximum force P given normal stress pressure 220 megapascal, permissible stress 150 megapascal, and permissible shear stress 130 megapascal. The surface of the exposed shear stress of exposed shear stress two into B into that is 2 into 25 into 10, so it is to be 500 millimeter square. The surface of the element subjected to pressure two into AB 2 into 5 into 25, so it is to be 250 millimeter square. The surface of element subjected to tension 75 into T, that is 450 millimeter square. Shear stress is defined as force upon surface area, and it is given 130 megapascal. P upon 500 into 10 to the power minus 6, 130 into 10 to the power 3. So P is equal to 65 kilonewton. That is 65. Now, stress does not exceed to pressure stress. So pressure stress is given P upon area per section. That is not to be 220 megapascal. P upon 250 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 220 into 10 to the power 3. So it is to be 55 kilonewton. And tensile stress, that is 150 megapascal. P upon 450 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to 150 into 10 to the power 3. So it is to be 67.5 kilonewton. Hence, P minimum will be 55 kilonewton.